7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay there. And from here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake your hands again. So हमने ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे क्या किया? बड़े बड़े मूवमेंट्स किए. अभी हम छोटे छोटे मूवमेंट्स कर रहे हैं. थंब, जो इतना आप रील स्क्रॉल करते हैं, मोबाइल यूज करते हैं, तो ये जॉइंट्स को भी थोड़ी मोबिलिटी की जरूरत होती है. सो जस्ट मूव इट ऐसे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, shake your hand. Neck movement. This time what we do, we turn to the right. देख लो एक बार. And then we go up and we go down as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the other side, turn and then go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. Turn to the right, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now let's work on the spinal cord. Spinal cord के लिए सबसे simple तरीका है, stretch your hands out and twist. देख लो आपका हाथ टच नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं भी. Keep twisting. 1, 2, 3, parallel to the floor. 4, 5, 6, elbow straight. Speed is not important, it's the twist. You can do it slow, but try to twist as much as your body allows. And slowly take your hands up. All the way up. कल जो हमने एक्सरसाइजेस किए उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा आपको साइड में आज पता चल रहा होगा. Yesterday what we did, you might be feeling something in your side of the abdominal region, which is absolutely okay. You can smile through it and then slowly keep going down. The movement is from the spine and not the shoulder. Okay, हम हाथों का movement नहीं कर रहे हैं. This is not what we are doing. We are keeping the hands fixed and moving from the spine. And then we are slowly taking the hands down. We'll do it one more time. Keep your hands straight and elbows straight. Gentle movement and slowly keep taking your hands up. Try to keep it with awareness. सजगता पूर्वक करना है और पूरे हाथ सीधे कर लो. मूवमेंट सिर्फ स्पाइन से हो रही है. And slowly come down. धीरे धीरे नीचे आएंगे. and let go. Now come on your fours. For those who have knee problem, you will follow what I am doing. Keep your hands on the floor. Yesterday we did the twist. Today we will do a little bit more mobility. So take your hand up, stretch, and then slowly take your hand down and go down as much as possible. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. 4, breathe in. 5, breathe in, and bring your hands down. The other side, breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, and come back. We'll do 5 on each side. Breathe in, switch, breathe out, in, 2, breathe in, 3, breathe in, 4, breathe in, 5, and let go. The other side, breathe in, breathe out, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, and relax. Now what we do is lie down on our back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. So keep your legs. एक बार देख लो क्या करना है, फिर साथ में करेंगे. So you lift your right leg up slightly. ऐसे थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठाना है, and then you take it to the left side. And then you bring it back. So we are working on the lower spine. Then you go. तो आपको बहुत, what you are not supposed to do. You're not supposed to do this. You're not supposed to take your leg up. Okay? It is supposed to be a simple lift. थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठेगा और फिर उसके बाद आपको दूसरी साइड क्रॉस करना है. Come on. Right leg, slowly lift up and then cross it to the left side. Bring it back. Left leg to the other side. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So we worked on our upper back, middle back, or thoracic region, and now we are working on the lumbar, which is the lower back. We'll do 10 more. 1, 2. The range can be less. You can also do like this. ऐसे थोड़ा सा हवा में लेकर गए और फिर वापस लेकर आ गए. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and let go. So this was more like a movement for our vertebra. Now we'll work on the hip joint. How do you work on the hip joint? You bring your heel across the line and then you take your heel out. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको पहले एड़ी को आप अपने पैर के पास ही रखोगे. You have to rotate the knee but keeping your heel close to your other leg. जैसे आप एड़ी को पास में रखेंगे, घुटना बाहर लेकर जाएंगे, then you bring your heel up close to the groin and then you push your knee up and then stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, we are working on the hip joint. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will reverse. Heel close to the body, close to the other leg, and then push your knee out and then stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you feel tired or your muscles pain around the joint, you stop. अगर आपको दर्द धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप 5 के बाद रुक जाएंगे. 2 more and 1 last. Relax. It's okay to do less. We don't mind doing less. Just attempt and do as much as possible. We'll do it with the other leg, keeping your heel close to the leg, other leg. Bring it out and then knee up and stretch. 1. एड़ी आपकी पूरे टाइम दूसरे पैर के पास रहेगी. Imagine you're moving your heel in one single line. Just the knee is going up and down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and we will change. Bring your knee up, heel close, and then push it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. For knee joint, little bit more movement. This time, bring both your knees closer to the chest and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. Slowly sit up and stretch your legs straight. These smaller movements or the movements of the joint, they might give you like a gradual, ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा दर्द होने लग जाता है, but that means you're working on the muscles. Okay, so let's not be afraid of pain. A little bit of pain just here and there is okay, and you have to smile more. Just tap your knees like this. And now drop your feet, bring it up. Bahar, andar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we are doing is called Sukshma Vyayam. Sukshma Vyayam. ऐसा कहते हैं इसको. इससे आपका joint health बहुत अच्छा रहता है. So your joints should be good in a healthy condition throughout your life, and this really helps. Now what we do is we stretch our toes forward, pull the toes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. थोड़ा हो सकता है मुश्किल हो. Not everyone will have this control on the toes, but it's okay. Do as much as possible until the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. What is the meaning of yoga? It means union. Huge union, right? Your body and the mind are in sync, which means your mind can tell the body what to do. और अगर वो coordination में नहीं आ रहा है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Today it's okay, but eventually with practice it will happen, and that's where the union is. Again, just letting you know, it's not the difficulty or the intensity of what we do. It is all about, are you able to tell your body what needs to be done, and is your body listening? And like, of course, there is limitation to the body, but doing as much as possible is what it means to listen. Let's all stand up again. We will do 6 Surya Namaskars. 6 Surya Namaskar करेंगे, and that's it for the day then. तो मैं आसान वर्जन करूंगा और हमारे भाई साहब रेगुलर वर्जन करेंगे. तो खड़े हो जाइए. नमस्ते. I'm sure you're already feeling that all the muscles and the joints are free. Let's stretch a little bit more with our Surya Namaskars. 2, stretch up. अब पीछे जाने की जरूरी नहीं है कि आप एकदम पीछे जाओ ही, सिर्फ ऊपर स्ट्रेच करोगे तो भी चलेगा. 3, forward and down. If you are using the chair, make sure your chair does not slip, and you also make sure that you have a support of the wall. जैसे wall के against करोगे तो slip नहीं होगी वो. 4, right leg back. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, look forward. 5, Dandasana. Continue to breathe long and deep. Do not focus on how to breathe during the asanas because it becomes challenging. अभी आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि कौन से आसन में कैसे सांस लेते हैं. अभी आप बस लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहो. Body is intelligent enough to figure it out by itself. अपने आप हो जाएगा वो. 6, Ashtanga Namaskar, or if you're using the chair, just push your hips back. Seven, Bhujangasana, lift up. And push back for Adho Mokshvanasana, which is the downward facing dog. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Try to push your heel in the floor and hands in the floor. Lift your tailbone up and bring your right foot forward. Now, it is challenging to bring the right foot right between your hands. So जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका हाथ पैरों के बीच में आना ही चाहिए. ओके, आता है बहुत बढ़िया, नहीं आता है पेट बीच में आ रहा है या मोबिलिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं हुई है, इट्स ऑल ओके. Don't aim for perfection, just do. 10. Bring your other leg forward. Anyone with knee, back, neck issues, please follow my version. It's much simpler and easier. 11. Stretch up. And 12. Namaste. 2. Stretch up. Lengthen your spine. 3. Forward and down. 4. Take your left leg back. बहुत ही बढ़िया, आराम से करो. 5. Dandasana. 6. You can go back and come forward. By the way, my instructions are primarily for the mat version, which Pramod is doing. 7. Bhujangasana. 8. Push back. Adho Mokshvanasana, the downward facing dog. Lengthen your spine. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings or the calf muscles or in the lower back. And bring your left foot forward. Bring your right foot forward. Stretch your hands up. Lengthen your spine. And let go. अब मैं इससे भी आसान वर्जन कर लेता हूं. If you find the normal versions challenging, just do it sitting on the chair. Namaste. 2. Stretch up. 3. Bring it down. 4. Right leg. 5. Left leg. 6. Ashtang Namaskar. 7. Stretch. भुजंगासन. मैं जो नाम बोल रहा हूं वो मैट वाले वर्जन के, चेयर वाले वर्जन के नहीं है. 8. Adho Mokshwanasana, the downward facing dog. Nine, right foot forward. Ashwa Sanchalan. 10, Hastapadasana. Hands closer to the feet. 11, stretch up. Hasta Uttanasana. Stretch. And Namaste. 2, stretch up. 3, 4. This time we take the left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. पैरों को हाथों के बीच में लाने की कोशिश करेंगे, नहीं भी आएंगे तो चलेगा. 10, 11 and 12. अब थोड़ा सा तेज करना है. अगले 2 राउंड थोड़े फास्ट करेंगे. 2, स्ट्रेच. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The last one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax and settle down. So I know थोड़ा बहुत challenging हुआ होगा आपको to do the Surya Namaskar or to understand the steps, which is absolutely fine. I know if you're doing it for the first time, it is challenging, but पूरा अगर अच्छे से नहीं कर पाए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हमें ज्वाइन करना जरूरी था, वो आपने बहुत बढ़िया से किया. अब आखिरी प्रैक्टिस जो अब हम करेंगे दैट इज ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस. क्या करना है, आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. 5 बार लंबी गहरी सांसें लेंगे. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस. 5 लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ्स. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, Breathe in, breathe out, relax, विश्राम करें. एक बार धीरे से आंखें खोल लीजिए. ओके, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ. कल वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड कौन से सेशन में है, कितने बजे आपको लॉग इन करना है, जल्दी से टाइप करिए. So just to be sure that you are aware and you completely have clarity on when to join. Oh, perfect. 6:30 a.m. is the world record attempt time. Certificate will be given only for the first batch. So 6:30 to 7:10. I know some of us are like कि अच्छा दूसरे batches में क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. कोई भी एक batch select करना था. The maximum strength that we have is always in the 6:30 a.m. batch. Hence, we will by default go with that. So 6:30, 20 minutes you have to log in. Every day I tell you to join for 5 minutes, but for tomorrow you have to join for at least 20 minutes. Tomorrow we'll be doing the yoga protocol that is decided by the government. तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक प्रोटोकॉल बना के दिया है. ऑफ कोर्स उसमें हम थोड़े और आसन ऐड करेंगे बिकॉज दैट प्रोटोकॉल इज प्रीटी शॉर्ट. तो हम उसमें थोड़े और आसन ऐड करेंगे और बढ़िया से करेंगे. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुमारो 6:30 a.m. to 7:10. We will be doing the world record attempt. I'm genuinely feeling what you call overwhelmed to say so. कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा, पता नहीं कितने लोग आएंगे. बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट वी विल बी एबल टू अचीव द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड. ऐसा लग तो रहा है. सो मिनिमम जो उन्होंने गाइडलाइन दी है वो है कि 3.5 लाख पीपल शुड ज्वाइन मिनिमम एंड व्हाट वी आर टारगेटिंग इज 5. सो लेट्स सी हाउ मच वी रीच, बट होपफुल दैट वी विल क्रॉस 3.5. थोड़ा तो ऐसे डर है, थोड़ा लग रहा है पता नहीं क्या होगा, बट very very excited. And let's keep our eyes closed and let us say thank you today. Say thank you to your fingers, the joint in the fingers. Let us say thank you to our wrist. Let's say thank you to our elbows. Thank you to your shoulders. कंधों को ढीला छोड़े और thank you बोले. Thank you to the cervical region, the neck region. Thank you to the entire vertebra. रीढ़ की हड्डी को धन्यवाद दे सकते हैं. Let us say thank you to the hip joint. To your knees, घुटनों को धन्यवाद दे सकते हैं. The biggest joint in the body is the knee. Let's say thank you to your ankle and your toes. And let us say thank you to your whole body. पूरे शरीर को धन्यवाद दे. Our body is a precious gift from Mother Nature. हमारा शरीर प्रकृति का एक सुंदर उपहार है. And mentally say thank you to any 3 people. 3 लोगों को धन्यवाद दे सकते हैं. And slowly you can open your eyes. ब्रीदिंग का लिंक पिन कमेंट सेक्शन में है. वी आर ऑफ कोर्स क्रिएटिंग अ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड ऑन 21st. So I'll just take 2 minutes of your time and I want you to do this. What you need to do is you need to go on WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp you will see the link that you get from us every single day. In that, what you need to write is invite. ऐसे आप invite लिखोगे. You will get a message as a response. The moment you get a response, you can actually forward that message in WhatsApp group. So जैसे forward करोगे, आपको बहुत सारे WhatsApp groups या कुछ पर्सनली लोगों को भेजना है, तो बस आप ऐसे क्लिक करते जाइए 5 लोगों को. तो you can send 5 at a time. So just send it on all the groups that you know. all the groups that you have, your friends, family members whom you care for, your colleagues, your kitty party का ग्रुप, कोई भी ग्रुप हो जिसमें आपको लगता है कि आपके कोई भी जान पहचान वाले हो, नहीं भी हो तो भी चलेगा, एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फॉरवर्ड एंड द मैसेज विल गो टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स. सो हम सब मिलके अगर एक व्यक्ति को भी और जोड़ेंगे तो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में 5 क्या 10 लाख लोग भी आ सकता है. तो लेट्स मेक इट टुगेदर. सी यू टुमारो एट 6:30 AM. कल 6:30 AM आइएगा तो और मजा आएगा. बाय बाय. सी यू टुमारो.